guys, I'm Kamlesh. Today I will be talking about mindfulness. I'm sure you're all accustomed with that word together with yoga and meditation. So let us dive into it. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness is a basic human ability to be fully present, aware of where we are and what we are doing, and not overly reactive or overwhelmed by what's going on around us. Research on mindfulness. Mindfulness popularity has been bolstered by a growing body of research showing that it reduces stress and anxiety, improves attention and memory, and promotes self-regulation and empathy. A few years ago, a study by Sarah Lazar, a neuroscientist and assistant professor of psychology at Harvard Medical School, HMS, and assistant researcher in psychiatry at Massachusetts General Hospital, was the first to document that mindfulness meditation can change the brain's gray matter and brain regions linked with memory, a sense of self, and regulation of emotions. New research by Benjamin Chapereau and Gail Debord is exploring how mindfulness can help depression. The pioneer of scientific research on meditation, Herbert Benson, extolled its benefits on the human body, reduced blood pressure, heart rate, and brain activity as early as 1975. He helped demystify meditation by calling it the relaxation response. Benson is Director Emeritus of the Benson Henry Institute for Mind-Body Medicine at Massachusetts General Hospital and Mind-Body Medicine Distinguished Professor of Medicine at HMS. What can mindfulness do? Reduce stress, improve ability to manage stress, increase focus, improve ability to pay attention, focus and concentrate, improve emotional regulation, reduce impulsiveness, improve child behavior, rowdiness, suspensions, expulsions, increase emotional intelligence, improve conflict resolution skills, increase empathy and respect, increase empathy and understanding of others, increase resilience, increase capacity to overcome challenges, improve physical well-being, increase engagement in physical activity, improve creativity and collaboration, improve expression of creative arts. Basics of mindfulness practice. Mindfulness helps us put some space between ourselves and our reactions, breaking down in our conditional responses. Here's how to tune into mindfulness throughout the day. Set aside some time. You don't need a meditation cushion or bench or any sort of special equipment to access your mindfulness skills, but you do need to set aside some time and space. Observe the present moment as it is. The aim of mindfulness is not quieting the mind or attempting to achieve a state of eternal calm. The goal is simple. We are aiming to pay attention to the present moment without judgment. Easier said than done. I know. As you spend time practicing mindfulness, you will probably find yourself feeling kinder, calmer, and more patient. These shifts in your experience are likely to generate changes in other parts of your life as well. Mindfulness can help you become more playful, maximize your enjoyment of a long conversation with a friend over a cup of tea, then wind down for a relaxing night's sleep. Common mindfulness questions. Is there a wrong way or right way to practice mindfulness? People think they are messing up when they are practicing mindfulness because of how busy the mind is. But getting lost in thought, noticing it, and returning to your chosen mindfulness object, breath, sound, body, sensation, or something else is how it's done. That's about it. If you're doing that, you're doing it right. Are there more formal ways to take up mindfulness practice? Mindfulness can be practiced solo anytime or with like-minded friends, but there are other ways and many resources to tap into. Mindfulness-based stress reduction, mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, and other mindfulness-based trainings are available across the globe. Daily guided meditations are also available by a smartphone app, or you can practice in person at a meditation center. Do you have to practice every day? No, but being that it's a beneficial practice, you may well find that the more you do it, the more you'll find it beneficial to your life. How do I find a meditation instructor? If you want to make mindfulness a part of your life, you will probably want to consider working with a meditation teacher or instructor. You can even do that online using a video chat format of some kind. But even then, the same principles apply. Here are 4 questions to consider when looking for a mindfulness teacher. 1. Do you have a good chemistry with them? 2. Are they open and accessible? 3. Do they have a deep understanding of the practice? Could they regard you like a friend? How do yoga and mindfulness work together? There are a number of yoga poses that will help you with your mindfulness meditation practice. Thank you for your attention. If you like the presentation, please press the subscribe and like button.